Hello children, so we will have another activity class today. Okay, so this week's activity is about Hindi subject. It's in our Hindi subject. We will make Hindi memory card. So what is memory card? Memory card is a game. So I'll explain you all how do you play that. First let me tell you all what you have to make. So all that you all need is the material required to make this Hindi memory cards are a chart paper, kg cardboard type of papers, something like this. Big chart paper, you can use it to cut into small squares like this, into small pieces. I don't want you all to make big cards. Just make it small so that you all can hold or have a box to put into that and keep it with your names. So I don't want big cards which will be difficult to handle. So small piece of cards, this much is enough. So you have to take a chart or you get A4 sizes also. So 2 A4 sizes or maybe 3 or 4. Okay, for the pictures and for letters you need few of the size. Even if you buy a big chart, cut it into small squares or use it. And then you have pair of scissors you need glue to stick, and then you need pen, pencil or sketch pen, and optional other you can buy a chart which has all the Hindi alphabets, like all the swear and vyanjan in that, the whole of Hindi Varnamala. You can use cut those, or you can use pencil, sketch pen or pen to write it in the chart and make. So what you basically all have to make is, this is my list of swear. So I have taken the printout of all the swear. Okay, so e, u, re, a, o, and ang and aha. So these are the cards. These are 13 cards of the Hindi swear. And then I have the vyanjan. So I have let me show you. I have made it into separate. This is K work. Now when you say K work, I have put K work together. K, K, G, Gh, Nya. Okay, so K work all I have wrapped it together so that it's easy to sort out, it's easy to handle. Otherwise you will be sitting and sorting out every time you wanted to play the cards. So this is K work and this is Ch work. I put Ch work together, I bundled it up together, and then your T work, and then I have P work, and then I have T work, Yara Lava, Sanyutakshar and Atiriktakshar is all bundled together in one. So this I have the vyanjan and I have all the swear. So I have 52 cards with me, 13 of the swear and 39 of the vyanjan, so 52 cards with me. So what we have to do, at the same time I have these cards. I'll show you. I have another set of cards, and this is again the swear. So I have, what happens in this is, if I take the swear, then I have all the swear cards with the pictures in it. A say anar, A say am, E say imli, E say eek. So like I have anar, am, then I have E say imli, A say ad, O say oon, ang say angur, Au say avrat, then Re say rishi. So it's not in order, it's all jumbled up. So this is how you have to make the cards for swear. And then I have this again, the vyanjans. I have K work and P work, T work. So you have to make again separate of all these. K work say whatever you get. K say karagosh, K say kabutar. So let me look for that. Again I've jumbled up, so let me find out. See, now I have K work. Now K say kabutar. Okay, and then if I want K say Khargosh, right? So I have pairing words for that. And if I want like g, now if I want g say I have ghar. So I have the pairing picture and the letter. So where you can match each letter with the picture. But now what we will do, that the game is all about, you will lay the cards actually upside down. Before laying, you will look at the cards, you will memorize where what cards are. And then when you turn one card, for instance if you turn Ka, you have to turn another card with Kabutar in it. So that means you are matching Ka to Kabutar. If you pick up this card Ka, now if I lay the card and I pick it up Ka, then I should have Khargosh with me too. Then I have to take another card and choose Khargosh. So it's better you have all same colored cards, so that you will get, it's very difficult for the opponent or the others to play. So basically how do you play this game? You need at least 2 people to play. Okay, and then what we have to do, I will lay the cards on the table, you will have a look at it. So what we will do is, we will lay, now I will take one letter, maybe I can take some ta word or pa word. Okay, I have pa word over here. Now I am laying all the pa words. Now for instance, I have this card. Now this is all pa word. Pa se patang, pa se phal, ba se batak, bha se bhalu, ma se machli. Now you can play with all the cards together, but that will be too many. You can first play only with swar or only with Vyanjan. Now I have taken only one line of the Vyanjan, that's per word. Now I also have okay, pa se patang, and then I have pa se phal. So this is the picture, image of that picture of that letter, and I have written the letter here. So you all also can do, take the pictures and stick to the chart paper and write the letter which it belongs to, or which it starting letter of the word batak. Then I have balu, and then I have machli. Now I have all these letters. It should not be in order, you should all jumble it up. Okay, jumble it up here all over. Okay, so it's all jumbled. Now once you all have to just see that, once you can look at the card. So you have 2 people playing, so both the people will look at the cards where it is and immediately turn. So when you turn the cards, you don't know where which one is. So what you have to do, now this will help you all in increasing your memory power. So because it will enhance your memory power, because when you all look at it and you will be thinking, you will remember that number, so that card where it is, right? So this will help you all in remembering a lot of things in future when it comes to your studies and other things. So first I'll pick up one card. Now I picked up bha. So when I pick up bha, I have to pick up ba se balu in the orange card, in the image cards. So make the letters in one color and make the image pictures, matching pictures in the other color. So you have to only pick the matching card. Now I have bha. Now I have to pick up bha se balu. Now for instance, I picked up this card and it comes as ba se batak. It is wrong. If I pick the wrong card and I am out. Okay, so if this is bha, then I have to see bha se balu. Now I remember seeing balu here and I found balu correctly. Okay, so ba se balu. So these 2 are matching and it will be taken and kept aside and you will get a point. Now with the other team member will also take one letter and find pa. Now that team member finds letter pa. Now what he has to match with is pa se patang. Now where is patang? Now you have to look, you have to remember where that card is. You just take it up and see. Now I found patang. Pa se patang, it's matched. So remove the card, keep it aside. So that's 1 point to the other person. So likewise, you pick up a card. I found ba and I find this card and take a wrong card. This is ba se phal is wrong, right? So these 2 cards will be put back into the game and that person will not get any points. The other person will again take B. You will remember B. Now he has to find B se batak. If he takes B se batak, then he gets the point. Even if he takes the wrong one, it will go back into the game. But if he takes the correct card, then he gets the point and it is kept aside. So likewise you have to see. Now I took per se phal, है ना? So you find per se phal. Now where is the card? If you remember right, you will take per se phal. If you remember wrong, you might take something else and say per se machli, which do not match. So if I take per se phal, then I keep it aside and I get a point. If I choose wrong, pick up a wrong card, it goes back into the game. So the last card will be this. Now I have got so many cards and the other team member would have got that many cards. So who chooses the more cards, who finds out the more card is the winner. Now if I found, now the last one is Merse Machli. Obviously the last turn, if it's mine or the other person's, whoever it belongs to. So it's my turn, then I belong to, then I have made how many sets? 1, 2, and I have made 3 sets. And my other team member has made 1 pair and 2 pairs. So I have 3 pairs and that person has made only 2, then I am the winner. If the other person has made more pairs, then that person is the winner. So this is how you have to play this game. So right now I played only with 5 letters. You can play with all the sword, spread out all the sword, spread out all the pictures of the swear. Like means you have to get say anar. Okay, so spread it out, match and play and have fun. So what happens? You're learning the letters, recognition, identification, you're increasing or enhancing your memory power, isn't it? And then you're playing and relaxing yourself as well. So all this is involved in this memory game. So I want you all to do these cards. Have 52 cards of the letters and 52 cards of the matching pictures. And I wanted it to be small. See, I have made this for my son for his class. So I have this. I have put it in a small box and kept. And I have his name on it. So similarly, I want you all to have a small box, make all this and put it in the box and keep. So anytime, even if you all have to come to submit it, it's there in the box. When I'm giving it back, I'll give it to you all safely in a box. So if it's lying here and if it's too big, I cannot keep it with me for a long time, right? So put it in a box, it will stay this safe and make it small cards. I don't want too big. Small cards will do. You can buy the pictures and you can print it, or you can, if you're good in drawing, you can draw the pictures and write the letters. Not necessary that it has to be printed or store bought. You can still write and draw on the chart, and you can just put the first letter of the picture. For this is year, say, I'll show you. This is year, say, Yajna. So Yajna, what? The first letter of year. Yajna is year. So only that much you will have to write. So this is la se lattu. So you can only write la. This is va se vak. So you can just write va there. So this is the first letter of all the things. Shalgam, sh. Shatkon, sh. Hal, ha. Now this is Trishul, tra. This is Gyani. So you can even write the full name, but I would suggest you all just write the first letter of the word. Okay, Gyani, G say Gyani, and I have Gya. Okay, this is enough, children. So do that. Send me a video. Send me a video with whom you are playing and having fun with it. And when weekend, you all can submit the activity to me in a box. I don't want too big sizes. Okay, all the best. Take care.